The PHB extension identifies a QiGong Phonebook file containing contact directory data from QiGong phone management software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, export, or migrate these contact database files. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest PHB files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. PHB files are phonebook data files from QiGong mobile phone management software, storing contact records, including names, phone numbers, email addresses, and group assignments, synchronized between mobile phones and desktop computers via the management application. QiGong PHB files use a proprietary format, storing contact records with multiple phone number fields, email addresses, physical addresses, group categories, and optional notes. They are managed through the QiGong desktop application's Phonebook interface. An essential utility for interacting with PHB is recognized as QiGong by QiGong software. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows may show the file, but extracting or understanding the data requires mobile utilities. We're testing the file structure now. Right-click the PHB file and choose Open With. If QiGong is installed, start there. If not, select another application. Different apps handle edge cases uniquely. If you still can't open the PHB file, it's okay. This PHB file requires certain conditions to open properly. To isolate the error, we'll quickly verify these essential details on our checklist. First, opening the Phonebook. Install the QiGong phone management software and open the PHB file through the application's Phonebook module. Browse all stored contacts with their associated phone numbers, addresses, and group assignments in the contact list interface. Next, exporting contacts. Use QiGong's export feature to save contacts as vCard VCF files or CSV format. Export all contacts or selected groups for import into modern contact management applications such as Google Contacts Outlook or your smartphone's built-in contacts application. Finally, migrating to modern platforms. Export PHB contacts to VCF vCard format and import into Google Contacts by navigating to Contacts, google.com, and using the import feature. Alternatively, import VCF files directly on your smartphone through Settings, then Contacts, then Import for direct device migration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.